So now see the board is visible. Class 8 maths, and today is what day? 8 Feb 21. This is the class work, and today we can do exercise 22.4. Everyone take out your graph paper. You all have graph copies? Take out the graph copies. And question number 1 and 2. I think the homework. Yes, Mia? You did the question number 1 and 2 or not? 22. Construction and internet. So, in our book, this is a line. What is this? Construction and integrating barrier. आगे बढ़ो. This chapter is not there. कौन सा साल की बुक खरीद ली गई? ओके, ठीक है. ओके, इन रिया. तो बैठो रिया. I will manage something for you. So now question number 1 and 2 is done or not? Everyone take out graph copies. 1, 2, 3 done. Okay. Now everyone start with question number 4. Question number 4. And I want ki everyone do in graph paper or graph copy only. Don't do the rough work. Directly the fair. Yes? You don't have? ठीक है तो ग्राफ बनाओ. And please take care about this कि होना चाहिए ना सबके पास. Now see the question number 4. Plot each of the following points on the graph. Should verify that they lie on the line or not. तो वो हम देखेंगे. Without making a graph we are not able to judge. Now this is x-axis, this is y. You have to write like this. This board, complete board is visible for everyone. Good. Now the first part. So first we have to make the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Everyone draw like this fast. If they don't have graph copy, they can do the rough, same like me. Now see, I mentioned 5, 5, 5 on each axis. Yes? Now Shraddha, tell me the point. Okay? A point क्या है? 0, 4. 0, 4. Not 4, 0. अच्छा 4, 0. Okay. Means the x is 4, but the y is 0. तो मुझे बताओ कहाँ पर? This 4 lies from where? Y पे 4. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. This is the point here now. 4, 0. At 4 in x-axis is the first point A. Mark. And then B. Section B is 4, 2, na? Tell me where. मतलब we have to take 4 in x-axis or 2 in x-axis. So it means that here may be the intersection of 4 and 2. 4 is, you can take 4 on x-axis and 2 for y-axis. So this is 4 in on x-axis and this is 2. This is positive 2. on the y-axis. So point is here, above 4, 2. Means this 4, 2, if suppose 4, 2 is a line, so intersection is called a point. So at 4, 2, intersection of 4, 2 is the point B. Clear everyone? समझ आ रहा है? And now the next point is C. C, oh, sorry, C is 4, 2.5. C is what? 4, 2.5. It's 4 and 2.5, just above this. 4 and 2.5. Huh? Obviously, question number 1 in one graph, part 2 in second graph, third in fourth graph, or if you want, नहीं एक ही ग्राफ में करना, एक ही ग्राफ, फर्स्ट पार्ट, सेकंड पार्ट, थर्ड पार्ट, फॉर एवरी ड्रॉ वन. Okay, now the point C, this is the point A, this is the point B, this is the point C. Now the last point is D, 0, 6. You last. Tell me where the 0, 6 lies. Don't Saksham. Please, 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 please. मैंने तुमसे नहीं पूछा है. मैंने नाम लिया है क्या किसी का? So please don't tell me. Now, D point. What is your name? फिर भूल गया एक बार फिर. Sakshi. Yes, Sakshi, tell me. Where I point 4 and 6. 4 and 6. This is the point D, 4, 6. So, you know what is the meaning of 4, 6? ये जो 4 है ये कौन से एक्सेस पे आएगा? नहीं? Okay, sit down. Manjeet, now tell me कि if the point is written like this, D, 4, 6, then 4 on which and 6 on which? Yes. This is very important. We have to write the coordinate. Whenever the coordinate is given, the first is x and the second is y. Always it is xy. So, sit down please. So, we have to mark 4. See here, we have to mark 4 at x-axis and 6 at y-axis. Clear? देखो अब इसको ध्यान से देखना प्लीज. x-axis पे 4 ये है ना? अगर हम इसको एक ऐसे लाइन बनाएंगे तो ये कहां जाके इंटरसेक्ट करेगा? y के 6 पे. क्लियर? समझ आई बात? So this is the point here. This is 4, 6. And now try to draw a line and check it is a straight line or not. These all 4 points lie in a line or not. Yes? आ गया line पे? So now see, question number 4 is what? Plot each of the point on a graph sheet, verify that they lies on a line. So it means that all 4 points lies in a line or not? Lies on a line or not? श्रद्धा बोलो. यस सर. अच्छा तो अब मुझे तुम बताओगी शिवानी कि इन पॉइंट्स को क्या कहते हैं? इस पॉइंट्स को क्या कहते हैं? What we say if a point lie in a line? नहीं? अरे हाँ नहीं बोल दो ना शिवानी. क्या हुआ इसमें? कौन सी प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है? पता नहीं तुम्हारे साथ बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है. तुम हाँ ना बोल दिया करो कि सर मुझे नहीं मालूम. हाँ ठीक है. नहीं कोऑर्डिनेट नहीं होता. सक्षम क्यों मंजी जानते हो क्या होता है? यू लास्ट गर्ल नहीं. हाँ ओके बोलो बोलो बोलो. नहीं फिर से बोलना है. कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स। क्या शिवानी, पढ़ा ही हमने कि नहीं? तो फिर भूल कैसे गए? When a point lie in a straight line, the points are said to be collinear. तो तुमने 2 बार 3 बार पूछा था, उसके बाद भी क्लियर नहीं है। So now it is clear. When it is a straight line, it's not necessary कि हमेशा लाइन हमारी ऐसे होगी। हो सकता है लाइन हमारी ऐसे हो, कैसे भी हो। If it is a straight, then the points are said to be collinear in a line. Clear everyone? So mark the question number 4. Mark second, third. Mark second, third. क्योंकि मेरे पास यहाँ ग्राफ पेपर नहीं है, so I don't want to discuss more questions. So the question number 4, part 2 and 3, marked as homework. Okay, Shivani, read the 5th question. ठीक है. Question number 5, we can do the 5th part. Okay. Read the 5th part, Shivani. JKLM. No, JK. इसमें एक भी नेगेटिव नहीं है. So where we represent the J point? देखो इसको कैसे बोल. हाँ ठीक, गुड. 4 in X. यस, ऐसे बोलोगे इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ 4 and 3 इन द फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट. क्या बोलोगे, बोल के बताओगे मुझे खुशी वाली. क्या बोलेंगे रिया, बोलो. वेट, यस. इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ, बोलो बोलो ना. इन फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट, intersection of 4 and 3 in quadrant 1. Sit down please. Quadrant 1 and quadrant 1 और फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट, कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं. क्या बोलना होता है? इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ 4 and 3. यस. सो 4 and 3, it may be lie here. Yes, and this is the point J. तो अभी लिख नहीं रहा हूँ J, बाद में लिखूंगा. So Riya, tell me where I represent the point 6, 1. Yes. Good. And in which quadrant? First. Yes. So quadrant 1. In quadrant 1, the intersection of 5, 6 and 1. So it may be here. Yes. Okay, Saksham, L point. Where the L point lies? Very good. Very nice. 6 and 5. This is 6 and here is 5. Yes. देखा. और श्रद्धा जल्दी से, क्या नाम है, नहीं, मंजीत, टेल मी द फोर्थ पॉइंट. एम पॉइंट. इसका मतलब यहाँ पर 7 भी है. अब क्या 4 बोला ना? 4 and 7. Okay. Now try to join this figure in a straight. See, it is a straight line. Shraddha? Yeah, it is a straight line. नहीं है. It is not a straight line. It is a parallelogram. It is a parallelogram. You क्या फिर नाम भूल गए? शिवानी, साक्षी, साक्षी खड़ी हो जाओ. अब ये बताओ कि ये स्ट्रेट लाइन है? नहीं है ना? जोर से बोलो ना, डर क्यों लगता है तुम्हें? जोर से बोलो, इट इज नॉट अ स्ट्रेट लाइन, बोलो। इट इज अ पैरेललोग्राम। Yes, this figure is not a straight line and sit down. It is a parallelogram. So in the question number 5, we have to plot these all points on a graph and say, you can check it is a straight line or it is of another shape. So Shivani, tell me how many students in class now? How many students online class? थ्री इज देयर, थ्री इज हियर, सिक्स। ये 8 क्लास वालों को लगता पास ही नहीं, पास नहीं होना है लग रहा है इस बार। यस। अब क्या करें पता नहीं, चलो ठीक है सब। 3 इन जूम एंड 3। हाँ तो उसको कहो कि ये जो है ना, ये अच्छा अच्छा, तो उसने क्या एप्लीकेशन दिया है? You all, please listen this. If you don't want to come to school or if you are absent in online class, then you have to send the application. सब भूल गए क्या एक साल में? सब भूल गए मंजू? भूल गए रिया? स्कूल ही भूल गए? नहीं, लग ही नहीं रहा कि स्कूल में बैठे हैं। ओके, नाउ सी द सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन। ये सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन कुछ नेगेटिव कोऑर्डिनेट दिखाई नहीं दे रहा, सब में तो पॉजिटिव है। यस। रुको रुको रुको, क्या सर, क्या श्रद्धा? नहीं अभी तो कुछ बोला ही नहीं मैंने, अभी बोलूंगा। और क्या क्या करेंगे इसमें? आप कुछ कर, मुझे मेरे बताने लायक कुछ है? कोऑर्डिनेट तुम्हें लोकेट करना आ गया ना? प्लीज टेल मी, कोऑर्डिनेट आ गया करना या नहीं आया? आ गया? एवरीवन आर एबल टू यूज द ग्राफ पेपर? यू ऑल नो दैट? In this graph paper, in this graph, it's not necessary to write the scale also. If we are changing this 1 to 2, then we can say that ki, scale is there. If we are using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, no scale is required. And see, if you know how to use your graph paper to locate the coordinate of x and y axis, all know that, मतलब all is clear. तो अब मुझे बताओ कि इसमें क्या समझना है? बस बस आई वांट टू आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन विद ऑल। सबको अपने आप करना है, एंड यू हैव द होल वीक टू कंप्लीट दिस होमवर्क। यस, कुछ है ही नहीं। एंड सी, 13th क्वेश्चन you can do in the book. Question number 10, 11 and 12 also do in book. Try to do in book. If not possible, then you can use the graph paper. Is that clear? Listen everyone, question number 10, 11, 12 and 13 you have to do in book. If you have any kind of problem, okay, any kind of problem, then you can use the graph paper. Otherwise, you can do in book only. And do the objective also, objective also in book. Don't send. And see, if you are doing any homework in book, don't send to me. मुझे मत भेजो. Is that clear? I only want homework that is done in the homework copy. Clear everyone? So tomorrow, so now the class is over. Tomorrow we will start the next 23rd chapter, line graph and linear graph. This is slightly big chapter और थोड़ा interesting भी है और easy भी है, बस थोड़ा सा बड़ा है. I think there is some more questions, थोड़े कुछ questions है जिनमें हमें graph readings करनी है और maybe somewhere we have to draw the graph also. Yes, somewhere we have to draw the graph and some we have to answer the question by using the graph. Okay? हाँ तो वो बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन हमें सिर्फ बुक में ही करने हैं. If there is a question answer, then you can do in just write the answer only. If don't draw the graph, there is only 7 questions. Till 7 questions, you have to draw the graph. Other questions are just you have to read the graph and answer the following question. Clear? So from tomorrow we will start the next chapter, and if anyone has any kind of problem to locate the coordinates, please ask in the next class, the next maybe tomorrow. Clear है? बात समझ में आई? कोई confusion रिया? Because I want to complete this course and I want to start the revision as soon as possible. Because I think some chapters are missed by some students, maybe those who were not attending the online classes. So I want to repeat that chapter, so it will be or it may be beneficial for those students. ठीक है? Okay, bye bye everyone. Bye.